Okay, so now we are ready to register for classes. Once you're logged in to the MyComm portal, click on the Student tab at the top. Under the Student Dashboard, select the correct semester for which you're planning to enroll in. I'm going to register for Summer Bridge first, so I will select Summer 2020, and then click on Register, Add, or Drop Classes. It should lead you to a page with some empty boxes to put the CRN numbers for the classes you want to enroll in. Sometimes it might ask you a few questions before getting to this page, like updating your college major. For Summer Bridge, I'm planning to do the July session, and I'm doing option 2 with live Zoom sessions. So I need to enter in the corresponding CRN number into the registration page. Once you have the CRN number, click Submit Changes. After submitting changes, it should say Web Registered next to the class, and that means you have successfully enrolled. So now I'm going to go back and register for fall. I need to go back to the Student Dashboard and click on Fall 2020, and then once again click on Register, Add, or Drop Classes. For fall, I'm planning to enroll in one of the MAPS Learning Community classes. As a reminder, at College of Marin, we have different learning communities on campus. MAPS, Emoja, and Puente have linked courses that you can take to join the program. I'm going to be registering for Hum 101 and Counseling 130 for the Get Up, Stand Up, Equity and Activism Today theme. So I need to enter the corresponding CRN numbers into the registration page to enroll in those classes. For Hum 101, I'll enter the CRN number, and then the one for the counseling course. Aside from these two classes, I plan to take others because I want to be a full-time student, which is at least 12 units. I'm going to be taking a math class with these courses. I'm planning to take statistics with a companion class. If you're unsure whether you need to take math with or without a companion class, talk to a counselor today to get help deciding. In order to look at the class schedule, I go to our homepage, under Academics, and click Class Schedules and Catalogs. Now I'm going to search for the fall schedule. You can click on Subjects to view all the available subjects to search for which classes are being offered during the fall semester. Since I'm taking a class with a companion course, it's a little bit easier to know which two I need to enroll in by clicking on this link, English and Math Companion Courses. Once I'm there, I'll need to look for statistics that works with my schedule and its corresponding companion class. I'll be taking stats Monday and Wednesday from 8:10 to 10:45. So I'll need to enter in these two CRN numbers. This step is pretty important because if you register for the statistics class and try to do a different companion course, registration will not work. We need to use the two that correspond with each other. So I'll be entering both these CRN numbers into the registration page. That's the one for the stats class. And that's the one for the companion class. This is an important step to make sure you have both CRN numbers for the corresponding class and companion class in the two different boxes at the same time. If I were to only put one and click Submit Changes without putting the other, registration will not work. So I must have both. I'm going to register for one more class. I'm considering being a sociology major, and so I'll register for a sociology class in addition to the classes I already have here. Once you have all the classes that you want to register for fall 2020, click Submit Changes. Once again, it will say Web Registered next to the classes that you were successfully enrolled in. Sometimes error messages might come up, and if you have any trouble registering for any of your classes, please reach out to talk to a counselor today. Lastly, if I go back into my MyCom portal and click on Weekly Schedule, it will show me what my schedule is. If I skip ahead to the fall dates, it will give me a nice view as to what my schedule is, which will help me with planning. It also lets me know which room numbers my classes are in so I can help find them on the first day of classes. All right, so you're successfully registered now for classes, and we're excited to see you in the summer and the fall.